Yes. Question. Okay, something. And this is on very high level Bhav Prem. You have already crossed, I think, that. But I had to go through the text. So definition of Prem. Samyan Masrunya Swanto Mamatvatik Shakshayankitah Bhavau sa eva sandratma Buddhai Prema Nigadyate. When that bhav softens the heart completely. So in the beginning of bhav, heart softens. Prem means completely softened. When that bhav softens the heart completely, becomes endowed with a great feeling of possessiveness in relation to the Lord, and becomes very much condensed and intensified. It is called prem, love of Godhead, by learned scholars. So mamatva atishanyankitah, अतिशय लॉर्ड इज माइन, ये भाव रहता है, भगवान मेरे हैं. प्रेम स्वरूप लक्षण भावों स एव सांद्रात्मा. इट इज द इंटेंसिफाइड, दैट इज सांद्र स्टेट ऑफ भाव. जैसे रॉक कैंडी is solidified sugar cane juice. And tatastha lakshan is samyan masrun swanto. It completely softens the heart. Mamatva atishayankitah, marked by highly possessive ownership of Sri Krishna. In bhava bhakti, one gets vision of the Lord and understands his eternal relationship with Krishna. However, in prema bhakti, one actually enters the Lord's pastime in one's eternal spiritual identity, overwhelmed with the mood that Krishna is my son, or Krishna is my friend, or Krishna is my lover, depending on Vatsalya, Sakhya, or Madhurya Ras. So in Bhava Bhakti, one gets Krishna's vision. Krishna will manifest to him. In Madhurya Kadambini also, Vishwanath Thakur explains details. And in Prema Bhakti, he enters in Krishna's pastimes in his Swarup also, whatever his Swarup. जैसे मॉर्निंग we saw ना गुण मंजरी गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी, he is in the water searching Radha Rani's nupur. वो पास्ट टाइम में एंट्री कर चुके हैं, and here his body is just still, not moving only. So achieving prem by two ways: by the maturation of bhava, which is because of Vaidhi or Raganuga Bhakti, all that, and by the Lord's extraordinary mercy. Prema arising from maturation of bhava. There are two subdivisions of prema arising from bhava: Vaidhi Bhavotha, that means prema arising from bhava achieved through Vaidhi sadhan, and this verse 11 to 40 shows that constantly practicing the regulative principles of devotional service, Vaidhi can arouse bhava. And second is Raga Nugiya Bhavotva, prema arising from bhava achieved through Raga Nug sadhan. For Padma Puran, Chandrakanti. Prema arising from Lord's extraordinary mercy, Gopis. Two types of prema. One is Mahatmya Gyan, I was telling you that. Prema mixed with knowledge of the Lord's majesty, and Kevala, that is unmixed pure prema. Srila Prabhupada says that prema can be placed under two headings. One is profound veneration for the greatness of the Lord, and other is one's being automatically attracted to Krishna without any extraneous consideration. Mahatmya Gyan Prem, he explains, page 145 it seems. Narada Pancharatra illustrates prema imbued with knowledge of the Lord's greatness. If on account of profound veneration for the greatness of the Supreme Lord, one attains a great affection and steady love for him, one is certainly assured of achieving the four kinds of Vaishnava liberation. Devotees who achieved bhava from Vaidhi sadhan can attain Mahatmya Jnana Prem. Kevala Prem. Keval Prem, pure and one-pointed prem, is not even slightly mixed with any other aspiration or interest, such as aspiration for Vaikuntha liberation or interest in the Lord's profound power and opulence. From Shraddha to Prem, that we discussed already. How Shraddha, Sadhu Sang, Bhajan Kriya. So concluding quote, the example is given that on the full moon there are some spots which may appear to be pockmarks. Still, the illumination spread by the full moon cannot be checked. Similarly, a little fault in the midst of volumes of devotional service is not at all to be counted as a fault. Attachment for Krishna is transcendental bliss. Amid unlimited volumes of transcendental bliss, a spot of some material defect cannot act in any way. That's done with that. Any question? Sorry, I went fast maybe. I don't know whether I went fast or... But did you get, how many of you understood what was their matter? If you raise hand, that means you are already Premi Bhakta. Not like that. But you understood. Information you want. So what you want? transformation. For transformation chant Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, while always aspiring for the mercy and association of pure devotees. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन भी हो जाएगा.
वही मैक्सिमम टाइम सुने एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्योर डिवोटीज, ये सबसे
मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेस थिंग वही करना है. और क्या करना है? और कोई प्रश्न?
Some practical tips how to read Prabhupada books more.
By opening them. Before opening, carrying them. Before opening, carrying them. If you are not carrying, how will you open? How will you open Prabhupada book in your college? That book which is lying in library here. So you have to carry it from here to college and then open whenever you get time. Start reading. That's how you read. If you wish, you may underline, you may highlight, you may make some notes there.
Due to lack of goodness,
Yeah, that is big problem. Passion and ignorance carries us away.
how to develop more goodness.
So before eating any meal, read for 15 to 20 minutes. प्रसाद लेने का महाप्रसाद गोविंद also you have recited. Don't start prasad. First, food for soul, proper book. Then food for body, Mahaprasad. Like that. Any other?
Can you just touch upon Keval Prem once again?
Keval Prem is by what was it? It is not mixed with that adoration and all that. Mahatmya. It's not like that. Keval Prem, pure and one-pointed Prem, is not even slightly mixed with any other aspiration or interest, such as aspiration for Vaikuntha liberation or interest in the Lord's profound power and opulence. वो सब वो ऐसा नहीं है. जो रागानुगा करके आएगा उसमें वो केवल प्रेम रहेगा. जो वैदिक साधन से आया है उसके लिए महात्म्य ज्ञान. Devotees who achieved bhav from Vaidhi sadhan can attain महात्म्य ज्ञान प्रेम. लेकिन जो रागानुग से आएंगे वो केवल प्रेम प्राप्त करेंगे. ठीक है, इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Even if there is veneration for the Lord. पहले हम रागानुग तक आ जाए. नहीं, आप तो आगे शायद. हाँ नहीं, लेकिन अगर लॉर्ड की कृपा वगैरह मिली शायद तो वो डायरेक्टली भी उसका अपग्रेडेशन हो जाता है. That's why the points are put in that way. Any other?
Few days ago, at the last you talked about Prabhupada emphasized on writing.
That is because that was all to induce devotees to write assessment, that OBA and all that. So that's why the devotee has put that. But point is valid. Prabhupada did say. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी प्रभुपाद के नाम पे कुछ बोल रहे वैसे नहीं. Prabhupada did say.
What was the motive? Like it was said that you should write your realization.
Yeah.
How practically that?
In the notebook with pen.
Any day, like whatever.
Yeah, night before sleeping, if you want, you can write just 2-3 minutes something or 5 minutes. Or as and when you get some realization, you can write down, because by the end of the day you may forget also. Writing is a good habit. His Holiness Satsruta Das Goswami Maharaj maintained that Japa Reform notebook. He kept writing daily, and now it has become a book only. They published and many devotees relish it also. That was way back in 1984 or so, when he was writing diary daily. Similarly, His Holiness Indra Swami Maharaj, Diary of a Traveling Monk. So that is also, so many volumes have been published. So writing is a good habit. Afterwards, you can compile a book of the whole thing, or delete some matter which may not be published, but vast majority could be published. So you may write. Writing also brings our thoughts in line. They get aligned, like that. Just like they have in the magnet in engineering, we have that all the what you call vectors, the magnetic thing, magnetic what? They are all in different direction. Magnetic? Huh? Domains. Yeah. So then when you put another magnet or something like that, they all get aligned in one direction. Kind of like vectors are aligned. So like that, all our thoughts will be streamlined if we develop the habit of writing. Any other?
For a person like me, who is at this stage, who has spent a few years in Krishna consciousness, so right now, what do you think? What would be the best possible way to associate with the pure devotee? Through
By
books,
hearing
through
audio
lectures?
lectures, Prabhupada books and hearing audio lectures of spiritual master. Prabhupada did not stress so much on his lectures, but he said always read his books. And like my spiritual master very clearly says, if you want my association, hear my lectures. So I hear his lectures. So we get his association. Like I quoted that Narari Chakravarti story. Where did I hear it from? From my spiritual master. I read Bhakti Ratnagar, but this story is not there in that. So by hearing great souls, we know about so many others pure devotees. And we make a lot of progress. Shabda Praman saves time. Very advantageous. What more? Okay, then we'll end. Tomorrow we'll be having a summary, in a sense, quick revision of the whole text, all 19 chapters.
So, there was one boy who is studying with us only. So, he left ISKCON and he went to Radhakund, started chanting 64 rounds. And then after 6-7 months and 1.5 years, he left that place and then he went to some other sampradaya, Sri Ramanandi Sampradaya. So there he asked that Maharaj, what should I do? So that Maharaj told him, go and home and serve your parents. So so now he has come to, not like even he's not chanting also, he's just simply doing things. So we can say how to understand that he has come to lower level than before when he was doing Vedic Bhakti. Earlier he was doing Sadhana Bhakti, normally Sadhana Bhakti. Then he wanted to do Raghunaga Bhakti, but he was not able to do that. So now he has come to below level, like a human being. So
What's the problem?
So these levels can be changed or what?
He did not go to Raghunaga Bhakti. That is all prematurely, kind of misguided person. So one should accept the shelter of bona fide spiritual master in ISKCON and follow Prabhupada books. One should read. One will never be confused. One will never go to Radhakund by reading Prabhupada books. He will take Radhakund all over the world. He will establish Shamkund, Radhakund, everywhere. So some people get deviated like that. What can be done? They follow their mind, then they get deviated. One has to follow Acharya. Acharya Mam Vijaniyam. Okay then, tomorrow we'll meet last session and we'll cover the whole summary. It will be revision for you. I'll ask you questions. Be prepared. From day one, whatever we discussed. Again, back to Mangalacharan. Preface, introduction to Prema Bhakti. तो वो लड़के की बात क्या, हम भी अभी कल नीचे उतर के सामान्य भक्ति से फिर आगे वैदिक साधन भक्ति, परागमुख साधन भक्ति, हम फिर से एक जर्नी करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, श्री भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु की जय, श्रील रूप गोस्वामी पाद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, समवेत गौर भक्तवृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंद। Who wants Lord's mercy? Prabhupada's birthplace. Hare Krishna.
मिल गया, हमें दिखता नहीं, एक हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा।